Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Winter fashion doesn't have to be all about bulky coats and endless layers. This season, knitted skirts are taking center stage, proving that cozy can be chic. Whether you're strolling through a snowy park, heading to a festive gathering, or dressing for a casual office day, the knitted skirt is your ultimate winter wardrobe staple. In today's video, we'll explore stunning ways to style a knitted skirt for winter, keeping you warm, stylish, and effortlessly put together. Knitted skirts are more than just a pretty face, they're practical too. Crafted from warm and stretchy materials, they offer unmatched comfort during chilly days. Unlike stiff fabrics, their flexibility makes them perfect for layering. Pair a midi-length knitted skirt with knee-high boots for a polished look, or opt for a mini knitted skirt layered with thermal tights and combat boots for an edgy vibe. The beauty of knitted skirts lies in their adaptability. They work for formal settings as seamlessly as they do for relaxed weekend looks. The secret to styling knitted skirts is balance. For a casual day out, pair a neutral tone skirt with a patterned sweater and ankle boots. Add a woolen beret or a structured coat for that quintessential winter look. If you're attending a winter evening event, elevate your outfit with a matching knitted cord set. Monochromatic sets in deep hues like burgundy or forest green create a sleek and sophisticated vibe. Finish the look with heeled boots and minimalist jewelry to keep the focus on the texture of your outfit. If you're loving these styling tips and are excited to try out knitted skirts this winter, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all things fashion. We'd also love to hear your thoughts. How would you style a knitted skirt for winter? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Your engagement means the world to us and helps us bring you more content you love. Accessories can make or break your winter outfit, and with knitted skirts, they're more important than ever. Think cozy scarves, leather gloves, and sleek handbags to add depth to your ensemble. Shoes play a crucial role too. While knee-high boots are a classic choice, experiment with chunky sneakers for an athleisure twist or heeled booties for added elegance. Layering is key to nailing winter style, so consider long-line coats, faux fur accents, or even a statement belt to highlight your silhouette. Knitted skirts are not just a winter trend. They're a timeless investment that promises warmth, comfort, and endless styling possibilities. From casual errands to glamorous evenings, this versatile piece adapts effortlessly to any occasion. Now it's your turn to embrace the charm of knitted skirts and showcase your unique style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know how you'll be rocking your knitted skirt this winter. We can't wait to be inspired by your ideas. Stay cozy, stay stylish, and we'll see you in the next video.